What is debt consolidation and how does it work? Debt consolidation sounds like an instant fix. You take several debts, turn them into one payment, and everything suddenly feels cleaner. That is why so many people assume it automatically means lower stress, lower cost, and a faster path out of debt. But that is not always what happens. The part most people miss is that consolidation can simplify the structure of your debt without actually making the debt cheaper. And that hidden gap is what usually decides whether it helps or quietly makes the situation harder later. What debt consolidation actually is. Debt consolidation usually means combining multiple debts into one new obligation. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau explains that a debt consolidation loan is money you borrow to repay your separate loans and then you pay back that new loan over time. In simple terms, the old balances are replaced by one new balance with one monthly payment. But there is an important detail here. Consolidation is not the same as debt settlement.
The CFPB says debt settlement companies try to negotiate the amount you owe, while debt consolidation is about reorganizing how you repay it.
That difference matters because many people hear the word consolidation and assume part of the debt will somehow disappear. How it works in real life. The way it works is usually straightforward. A person takes out a new loan or uses another tool like a balance transfer to pay off several existing debts. After that, instead of juggling multiple creditors, they focus on repaying one account. The CFPB also notes that balance transfers are commonly used to consolidate debt onto one credit card, though they often come with a fee and promotional rates that last only for a limited time. There is also another version people overlook. Consolidation can happen through credit counseling and a debt management plan. In that setup, the CFPB says you make one payment to the credit counseling organization and it sends payments to your creditor. That can simplify repayment too, but it works differently from taking out a new loan, where people get it wrong. The biggest mistake is thinking consolidation fixes the problem by itself. The CFPB warns that if the debt built up because spending stayed above income, a consolidation loan usually will not solve that unless spending drops or income rises. In other words, one payment can make the debt feel calmer without changing the behavior that created it. Another mistake is focusing only on the monthly payment. A lower payment can feel like relief, but if repayment stretches longer, total interest can still rise. And in some scoring models, the FTC notes that debt consolidation loans may affect credit scores, so it is not something to treat like a neutral reset button.
What nobody tells you early enough.
The hidden truth is that debt consolidation is really a repayment strategy, not a magic solution. It may help with organization, timing, or even interest in some cases, but the CFPB is clear that a debt consolidation loan does not erase what you owe it. It can also be risky when companies market consolidation but are really pushing debt settlement or charging harmful fees. That is why the CFPB says it can make sense to speak with a non-profit credit counselor first. The real answer. So, what is debt consolidation and how does it work? It is a way of turning multiple debts into one repayment path, either through a new loan, a balance transfer, or sometimes a debt management plan. It can make debt easier to manage, but it does not automatically reduce the amount you owe, and it does not work well if the underlying budget problem stays the same.
This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
That resolves the promise from the start. Debt consolidation can help, but the real benefit is not the single payment by itself. It is whether that simpler structure actually gives you a better, safer way to finish the debt for good. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.